Stop whatever you're doing and pay close attention to this video. Right now, you might be missing an incredible opportunity to improve your body and mind. Yes, you heard that right. There's a plant capable of boosting your brain, enhancing your memory, and increasing your energy naturally. Stay with me because I'll teach you how to use ginseng to completely transform your mental and physical performance. If you're like most people, you're constantly looking for ways to boost your focus, reduce fatigue, and feel more productive every day. Ginseng is the secret many experts have already adopted, and today you'll discover how it can become your ultimate ally. And that's not all. By the end, I'll share the most effective way to use this powerful plant to get the best results. And here's the best part. There's a simple and affordable method to maximize ginseng's benefits that few people know. This is the cherry on top that I'll reveal at the end of the video. Don't go anywhere. What is ginseng, and why is it so special? Ginseng is a fascinating root, revered for millennia for its medicinal properties, especially in traditional Asian medicine. As a powerful adaptogen, it not only helps the body cope with stress and adapt to daily challenges, but also promotes overall balance in the system. Modern scientific studies reinforce ginseng's reputation, highlighting its direct impact on brain health. It ranks among the most effective natural nootropics, significantly improving memory, enhancing learning capacity, and sharpening focus. This combination of benefits makes ginseng a true ally for both mind and body. Cognitive benefits. When it comes to the brain, ginseng is practically a superhero. It can enhance your memory and learning ability, allowing you to retain information more quickly and effectively, whether for studying or daily tasks. Boost focus and concentration, helping you stay fully attentive to important tasks, even in distracting environments. Reduce mental fatigue and improve clarity, providing that clear mind sensation that makes logical thinking and decision-making much easier. Imagine solving complex work problems or studying for an exam with twice the efficiency. Who wouldn't want that? Physical benefits. It's not just your mind that benefits. Your body will thank you too. Ginseng can naturally boost your energy levels, ensuring a steady flow of vitality throughout the day, without the highs and lows typical of stimulants like coffee. This means more drive to tackle daily tasks and face challenges with renewed energy. Enhance physical performance in sports activities, providing greater endurance, strength, and muscle recovery. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts can greatly benefit from this natural advantage. Strengthen your immune system, helping to prevent colds, infections, and other illnesses by keeping your body protected and functioning at its best. Ginseng acts as a natural shield for your health. How does ginseng work in the body? The secret lies in ginsenosides, bioactive compounds that improve blood circulation, protect brain cells, and balance stress hormones. It's like giving your system a reboot, making everything work more efficiently. And now, the part you've been waiting for: how to make the most of ginseng. First, it's essential to understand that consistency is key. Incorporating ginseng into your morning or pre-workout routine can amplify its effects, ensuring more energy and focus from the very start of your day. Pairing it with other healthy practices like meditation, light exercise, or a balanced breakfast can enhance its impact. The golden tip is to opt for Korean red ginseng, renowned for its high concentration of ginsenosides. It can be consumed in capsule form for convenience or as a concentrated tea for those who prefer a more natural approach. And it's no exaggeration. The benefits are so noticeable that many people report feeling a difference in energy and mental clarity within just a few days of use. It's an experience worth trying. With ginseng, you no longer need to struggle with a lack of energy, focus, or productivity. This plant acts as a natural catalyst, capable of transforming the way you tackle daily challenges. Whether it's enhancing your efficiency at work, improving your academic performance, or simply having more energy to enjoy your leisure time, ginseng becomes an indispensable ally. When you try ginseng, You'll quickly notice how it comprehensively benefits both your body and mind. Not only does it boost your energy, but it also fosters mental clarity, making problem-solving and idea organization much easier. Try it and see for yourself how this ancient root can revolutionize your well-being. Did you enjoy these tips? Leave a comment below with your thoughts or if you've tried ginseng before. And don't forget to like the video. Your interaction helps us bring quality content to you.